we reduce our funds in going to the Coliseum. So most of this, so in the process, we also lost revenues. Outside of that, we also lost a lot of sponsors. So, you know that CISAPI is just dependent on the operations, dependent on the revenues from gift receipts. So this year, we really thought of a partnership with, which will be explained later, that on real time, on live streaming, it will be on subscription basis. Okay? So if you want to watch real time, you have to subscribe, and on per day it's 88 pesos, and on a monthly subscription is 288. This will be explained later by our partner, this group. Okay? We have 18 schools. Now in the college, we have 10 schools that will be participating. The new one is the UCLM, and in the high school, we have 13 teams participating. So with San Roque and Five Springdale. Now in 15 under, we have nine schools, and then on the 12 under, we have 6 schools. Okay, so now in our opening is on August 29, Saturday. We'll start at 1 o'clock. So, I'd like to invite you to be there. So, our opening games after the Palabas, we'll have the new schools, Barif and San Roque High School, and then the UCLM and USDF on the college. Next. So, we have 16 sports right now with the new sport of pickleball. This will be pickleball will be our new sport for this year. So of course we have the esports. Along that, we have right now 16 sports for CISAPI. Next. Okay. So the schedule of the games, especially in basketball, have been given to the coaches and the schools and athletic directors. Here is one spirit, one goal, rising together in excellence. You know, we have done 25 years of CISAPI, and we have our celebration last year. So this year, our season 26, we thought of this theme, togetherness and excellence. Next. Now, this year we have 18 schools, participating schools. It's quite a big number now. Because this year we accepted 2 schools, San Roque College and Barif Springdale. Both of them are participating in high school. So, let me just tell you that in the high school participating teams, we have, by the way, this year also, the UCLM is joining the college tournament.